Hey guys, welcome back. So after almost a week, we are finally here and I'm going to choose one winner for the giveaway contest that is sponsored by Dspiae, and the winner will get this kit, this customized build from me. Good luck to the winner. I will choose the winner randomly from the YouTube comment section. So yeah, let's pick the winner. Alright, so congratulations to Nazmi Ali. You are the winner for this giveaway contest. So congratulations, and if I'm not mistaken, he's from Malaysia. So tanya bro, kau menang kit ni. And the comment is, love every kit you build. Mantap Pak Abu. Boleh hayal tengok video hang build. Keep it up bro. Okay, so thank you so much for those words. Give me your contact details such as your name, your address and your phone number so that I can send the kit to you. So bro, Nazmi Ali, congratulations. You are the winner for this kit. So yeah, for those who are participating, thank you so much. Hopefully I can do more giveaway after this. I hope you guys are happy with this giveaway, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. And I've read all the comments that you guys write. Thank you so much for all those words. Thank you so much. See you guys again in my next video. Bye bye.